There are a ton of ways laundromats make money. In this video, I'll be going over the top 10 ways laundromats produce income. If you think I missed one, you disagree, or you want to add one of your own, hit me up in the comments below. Actually, if you're watching this video, just hit me up in the comments just to say hi. The first laundromat opened in Texas in 1934, and since then, the industry has changed drastically. We went from small utility gobblers to large, efficient machines designed to do all your laundry in one load. For decades, the Washington quarter was a staple of the laundry industry. However, with rising prices and increased machine size, the quarter is being faded out for dollar coins, credit cards, and wireless apps. The brand Dexter even recently released a 120-pound machine for sale, which can handle 12 baskets of laundry at once. No customer wants to put in 60 quarters into a machine to get it started. Even though the laundry world is changing, the way laundromats make money has stayed the same and will continue since people will always need clean clothes. Topping off our list at number 1 is the washer. This might sound like a no-brainer, but your washing machines by far bring in the most revenue at a laundromat. Water is cheap, and with machines being more and more efficient, you should be focusing your store around your washing machines. Replace old machines, put big machines near the front of the store, educate customers on how the big machines work. Plan your stores around your washing machines. Your washers shouldn't look like an afterthought. Coming in at number 2 is the dryer. It's not even close to the margin of a washer. Most people say that you don't even make money on drying, but they're only saying this in relationship to the washers, since the washers make by far the most money in the laundromat. Drying margins are smaller, but still rounds the list at number 2 because of just the sheer volume. The next way a laundromat can make money is by having a wash and fold operation. This is a service where customers drop off clothes and an employee will wash and fold your clothes for you. Price ranges by the pound in different areas can be drastically different. This is a big money maker for laundromats because this is essentially a service and you are charging for labor, so high margins and high profit. It does take years to build up a successful wash and fold business, but those who you talk to in the industry say the revenue and the headaches are worth it. The number 4 way a laundromat can make money is by dry cleaning. You don't necessarily have to have dry cleaning on site. Some mats will offer a dry cleaning drop-off, which basically allows customers to drop off clothes, and they'll hire a third party to do the dry cleaning. They'll do the dry cleaning, and then the customer can pick back up the clothes at the laundromat. Number 5 is basically an extension of the wash and fold, which is the pickup and delivery business. You pick up laundry from customers' houses or apartments, you wash it, you fold it, and you drop it back off. This can even be outsourced to a third party, so you don't have to cover the costs of doing it yourself. You can charge them rent, or they could pay you a percentage of the business. Number 6 would be vending machines. I am sure this would be a lot higher in some of your lists, but this is really just a secondary source of income in my opinion. Your classic vending items would include pop, chips, and candy. Laundromat-specific items would include soap, softener, dryer sheets, and laundry bags. Your profit margin on these items is usually around 50%, but your sales are limited just because you can only sell to your customers. Selling ad space. Who would have thought that companies would pay you to put a poster up on your wall? In my area, they will pay up to $50 a month to put a 2-foot by 3-foot ad on your wall. ATM fees. Have a company put a machine in and you get a percentage of every transaction. This is also a convenience to your customers so they can get cash out on the location if you don't accept credit cards. Number 8 would be arcade games, crane machines, Pac-Man, anything that entertains the customers while they wait for their laundry to get done. Number 10 would be everything that doesn't fall into any of the other categories, such as paid Wi-Fi, massage chairs, Amazon mailboxes. One laundromat I visited last month even had a computer where you put a quarter in, you got 10 minutes of time on the internet. So anything that doesn't fit into any of the other categories but still deserves to be on this list is number 10. As always, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you like this type of content, feel free to subscribe. It really helps out the channel a lot. We'll catch you next video.